Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Ever dealt with an auto shop that made you feel like a number? Poor customer service can sour a repair experience. But at Arts, we put you first with friendly, attentive care. Take Anita, a retiree who visited us a few weeks ago. Her 2013 Toyota Avalon had a dented rear door from a parking lot mishap. Anita was tired of shops with dismissive staff and no updates. Our team welcomed her, explained the repair process clearly, and checked in regularly. We restored her Avalon to pristine condition, and Anita told us, "Art's service was so warm and professional. My car looks amazing." We make customer service a priority. From a warm greeting to timely updates, we're here to answer your questions and make you feel valued. For scratches or big repairs, our Pomona shop delivers exceptional care every time. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're committed to great service and great repairs. Don't settle for less. Come see us for a free quote and experience the difference. Want repairs with top-notch service? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or check out artsautobodyandpaint.com for your free estimate. We treat you right.